I'm going to run an experiment today and go a bit slower so we can really take some value from what we're seeing. So this is the first picture by Jim. You can see everything's a bit wonky on the shelf, and this is how it is after, and I feel that it should be left that way at all times during work time. You can see a place for the empty trolley Jim has added, which is great. Peter has a dirty cleaning bottle and it's obviously bugged him, so now he's replaced it with a new one, and I'm hoping he'll put in some rags in there too. And great job Chris with a complete service on the spray gun. Jake has added some more of great visual control in the kitchen, and also added some standard shipping rates. It's easy reference. I fixed what bugged me and I sprayed the weeds outside and around everywhere. A nice job Stuart cleaning the wall with a before and after. Please remember to only include horizontal pictures. These portrait ones I cannot include anymore, so please remember that. This is a mess of the trolleys, and after they're straightened, but we could look at adding some floor place markers to set that properly. And Marius, it's a trolley of empty cardboard boxes, and now there's one full one left, so it's a great job. Phil under the stairs, you can see there's no standard location. Now there is. Blue corners means a standard location, which is great. And Swabek, you fixed what bugged you by removing the waste and the things that could make you struggle to 3S or do your job. So this is parts left over on laser 5 from the installation, so you've removed them and cleaned with a before and after all the dust. So really this is the standard we want to upkeep and keep it pristine and premium at all times. So a daily wipe down, look for problems and clean, it will stay great forever. We have Alex making a start on cleaning the floor. As you can see, it's quite dirty, and after I think it still needs another go, but it's a great start, and that's exactly what we need. Kieran's added a great welder torch holder, eliminates excess motion. And Patrick in pre-packing, he's been here 2 weeks now and is starting to see problems and make changes, labelling the trolley, giving it a home, making a standard location for it. It's all what we need to be doing everywhere, so everything needs to be standardized. And again, this is before, so this was on Monday last week. It's been a bit crazy, and now after he's worked on it for a few days and got that clear. And the one thing, take baby steps and think big. We can do this all together.